Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 3-slot payphone. This is Jeff's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. Jeff located some parts for this unit, and we want to do a complete conversion on this payphone. We've troubleshooted a little bit, and we know that the coin validator is missing the bell. And normally when you would put a nickel in, it would ring the bell one time, and if you used a dime, it would ring the bell 2 times, but that bell is missing from the coin validator. So we want to locate a bell for the coin validator. We also need to install a bell on a ring cycle so that when you're getting a call that this payphone will ring. So we want to install a bell and a bell circuit. We also want to remove the bell that someone installed in the cash box area. It's the wrong style bell. That bell cannot be used in the conversion. We also want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial and make sure that this unit is dialing out properly. We also want to install the handset that came in as a part. We want to build up all of our circuits that we need. We want to rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also want to make sure that all of our coins are falling through the coin validator and into the cash box area. We'll be installing the lock for the front cover that came in as a part. We're going to be installing a modular port so that Jeff can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that he chooses, plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. So we will be going through the entire payphone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to run some change through the coin validator, and it will fall into the cash box area. So we're going to go ahead and start with a quarter that will gong one time. We want to do a dime that will ring the bell 2 times. We want to do a nickel that will ring the bell once. We'll do another quarter. One more dime. And one last nickel. Now what we want to do is check our cash box. Now we can go ahead and open our vault door, set that to the side. We'll pull our cash box out and we'll check to see if we have any change in our unit, and we do. So Jeff is getting rich with bubblegum money. Now what we want to do is set our latch so that the trap door will open and we can put the unit back into the payphone. So we want to go ahead and make sure that we do this every time that we take the cash box out. We want to turn it clockwise or to the right until it clicks. Then we can go ahead and put it back on our cash box. That enables our lever to move forward when we install the cash box into the payphone. The trap door will open, and when you pull the cash box out, the latch will shut and it will no longer open. And that was so no one could get to the money before the seal was taken off. So if you try to put this cash box back into the payphone without this lever being able to move, it will not fit into the payphone. So we want to go ahead and set our latch. And now we can install the unit back into the payphone, and we can shut our vault door. So you always want to make sure that that latch is set before you try to put the cash box back into a payphone. We'll go ahead and take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that the lock and key that came in for this payphone that was intended for the front cover is not a front cover lock. It will not fit. So we went ahead and located the proper lock and installed it. And we're just going to trade out locks with Jeff. So that was taken care of. We also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup installed inside the payphone at the network, and that's so that you can pick up the audio on the final checkout. Now, we have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, March 14th. The current time, 11:51 a.m. and the temperature, 43 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool 3-slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Jeff and he can put this unit back into service again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.